Guys, do never, ever pull firearms without a file. If you have a permission to pull a firearm for a fire drill or a test, or you have your fire alarms at home, or there's a real fire, then you can pull it. If you pull firearms for fun, that is not okay at all. You will go to jail for a long time, I think. And that is a felony. Let's say if you push that fire alarm, everyone else will be evacuated. Call the fire department to check if there's a fire. When it's not the fire, you'll be dead meat and serious trouble. You have your parents mad at you. You have the fire. You have 911 mad at you. You have your principal mad at you. You have your school manager mad at you. You have your family mad at you, and your friends mad at you. Everyone else will be mad at you. It is not okay at all. I wish I can pull the final one for a fire drill with a permission for my next school year. When I was taking a test, the fire ones went off. And we got evacuated, and I said, did somebody pull a fire alarm? When you get back to test, and the announcement said, this test needs to hold on, just wait a minute. So we had to wait a minute. And I was very upset. Anyways, so do not pull fire alarms for fun. These are life-saving devices. People will hear the alarm where there's a real fire. Also, never tamper with fire alarms either. Do not take a play alarm, do not screw the alarm, don't flood the alarm. If you break the alarm, you have to replace it. And everyone will be mad at you, like I said, if you pull the fire alarm. Your parents will be mad at you, your family and friends will be mad at you, your principal, your school manager will be mad at you, and 911 will be mad at you. Do not tamper with the alarms either. If someone tampers with my alarm at my school, I will be very upset. People will be very upset. And people will get mad. And I'll be upset. Anyways, that's all. My next video will be, I will have my first rant, and that is Block 14. And my upcoming videos will be, those ones were coming up. Anyways, this is me signing off.